Learning to sew your own clothes is one of the most fulfilling things that you can do. It allows you to make one-of-a-kind outfits with special meaning at the same time as providing you with a restorative, creative hobby. But figuring out how to get started can feel overwhelming, which is why I created this video course. Hi, I'm Tilly. I'm a best-selling sewing author, teacher, and founder of the award-winning sewing pattern company, Tilly and the Buttons. If you know the basics of using a sewing machine and now want to get started making your own clothes, then I would love you to join me for my online workshop, Learn to Sew an Easy Top. Through a series of video lessons, I'll take you step by step through making the Samara top, which I designed especially for beginners. It's simple and stylish with 4 sleeve options to choose from and 15 sizes included. Along the way, you'll learn the fundamentals of clothes making, including the supplies you'll need to get started, understanding sewing patterns, choosing suitable fabrics and cutting them accurately, stabilising with interfacing, stay tape and stay stitching, pinning and sewing seams, an introduction to garment construction, including attaching a neckline facing, sewing elasticated channels, understitching, stitching in the ditch and hemming, finishing seams with zigzag stitch, and neatening with trimming and pressing techniques. I'll even show you how to hack the pattern to create a tunic dress and add a trim. You'll finish the workshop with a one-of-a-kind top you can be proud to say that you made yourself, as well as the skills and confidence to continue your sewing journey. You can watch the video lessons from home whenever you like, as many times as you like, with no deadlines, and come back anytime you need a refresher. So sign up today and let's sew an easy top together.